Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download font files from Adobe Fonts in a clear and honest way. First, you should know that Adobe Fonts does not allow direct downloading of font files like TTF or OTF for manual use. Instead, fonts are activated through Adobe Creative Cloud for use inside supported apps. To get started, go to the Adobe Fonts website and sign in with your Adobe account. Browse or search for any font you like, then click on it and press the Activate button. Once activated, the font will automatically sync with your Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop or Illustrator. If you specifically need font files for other platforms, Adobe Fonts won't provide them directly, so you'll need to look for alternative sources or purchase the font from the original foundry. Always make sure you follow licensing rules when using fonts outside Adobe apps. This is the safest and correct way to access and use Adobe Fonts. Subscribe the channel for more videos.